everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few cool things you can do with the new iOS 15 update. So before we get started, I just want to say that I know it's like pretty obvious, but you do need an iPhone to do this, and you do need a device that has iOS 15, whether it's an iPad or a phone. I'm not sure which devices have it as like for now. But if you don't have 15, then unfortunately, you can't do some of these things. There are some you can do because it involves widgets, but there's some you can't. So let's get started. The first, I'm just going to show you like the tutorials and what I'm going to be explaining to you guys. So the first one is this kind of like thing. It's a slide thing that you can add different images to, and you can change them each day. So it's same with this one. The second one is switching home screens. So go from here, your home screen changes, and your wallpaper does too. So I'm just going to be showing you guys. So I do have this one that I use. And you can make like multiple home screens with this, and you can alternate them depending on like if you want a school one, a work, I don't know, just you time kind of. Whatever you want it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that and how to also change the wallpaper. So we're going to go back onto this one. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to do this little slidey thing. So what you need is you need Widget Smith. So we're going to go into Widget Smith. You're going to download that. You're going to click the medium one, add medium widget, selected photo, choose photo, and you're going to choose any photo. I'm going to have to cover these photos. Say I can't find a photo. Okay, say I want this photo. We're going to go here, save. That's that. We're going to add another one. After you have them, you are going to just hold on to, just like make all the apps little like do the dancey dance, when they all shake. I don't know how to explain it. Then at the top there should be a plus button. So you're gonna shake, click the plus button, scroll all the way down, and you're going to click Widget Smith, do medium widgets, add widget, and then you're gonna go again, and you're going to go Widget Smith, medium widget, add widget, and you're gonna do this 3 times or however many times you need to. If you have like 15 widgets, which that's a lot, but if you do, you do. Let's just change them all so they're all different. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the widget thingy shake, and you're just gonna stack them on top of each other. Now you have a widget that moves. It's called a widget stack. That's what I did with here. So it can go to these day and night ones, this one, different people. And now you have a little widget stack. So I'm going to delete this because I don't need this. So now it's time for the home phone screen switching one. The wallpaper takes like a while to load. Okay, there we go. Mine just goes from black to white. You can obviously do images, like actual images. Mine are just colors. So you're going to like pull the little, what's this called? Toolbar? Whatever it's called. You're going to pull this down. Over here, it's going to say, I'm pretty sure it says focus for you guys. But that thing, you're going to click on it. You're going to have one that says personal and the one I created. So like at the bottom, it says new focus. You're going to click that, and I'm going to click, you can click one of these. I'm just going to click custom. I'm going to name it tutorial. You name it whatever you want. You can name it like gaming or something. Choose an icon. So I'm going to choose the star, and you can add calls from whoever you would like, allow, and then notifications. You could just click add app, like wherever you want the notifications from, allow. Done. Now that you've done that, you click where it says options. Over here it says options, and then it says home screen and lock screen. So you're going to click home screen and lock screen, custom pages, and you're going to select the pages you want. So first you're going to have to create these pages. So say for example over here I want this widget. Okay, no, I don't want this widget. Let's say I want this widget. Okay, so I want this widget, and I'm just going to go back onto here, home screen, custom pages, select the page you want. So yours is probably going to be more than one page. Mine is just one page. Done. And then you're going to, so then what you're going to do is you're going to again make the little apps do the dance. And over here where there is these 2 dots or however many dots, you are going to click that and make sure none of the other screens are visible. I don't have one because I only have one screen. And now whenever you switch from, your whole home screen will change. But now to get the wallpaper to change, I'm going to try to explain this the best I can. So over here, you're going to go onto the Shortcuts app, and you're going to go onto Automation. Then you are going to click the plus button, and you are going to search, or you're going to click Create Automation, Personal Automation. And then over here where it says Focus, there's going to be like a little thing that says Focus. You're going to click Tutorial or whatever you named it. I'm sorry, I don't know what you named it. And then you're going to click When Turning On. So make sure it's on When Turning On. Click Next. Add action, and your action is going to be Find Photo. So you're going to click that. You're going to click where it says Add Filter. Now you're going to go on to your photos. You're going to select, say you want, I'm just going to take a random photo. I'm going to take this photo, random. You're going to add it to an album. So you're going to name your album, whatever. But make sure only the photo you want as a wallpaper is in the album and there's no other photo. So only that one photo you want. Album, and you're going to select your album. After you have the album, you are going to click you're going to click the search bar at the bottom, and then you're going to scroll down, and over here it should say scripting. You're going to click scripting, scroll down and find where it says, it's going to say set wallpaper, and then you're going to click next. So set wallpaper, next. No, go back, sorry. Don't click next. After you have that thing here, you are going to click this little arrow, and you're going to turn off where it says show preview. Then you're going to click next. Click where it says ask before running. Click, we don't want it to ask, we just want it to like do the thing. Then don't ask, done. So when this thing turns on, your wallpaper should change. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to adjust, because mine did too. Like, it takes a little time for it to shift from white to black. And now if we go on tutorial, give it a little bit of time, it will work. There you go. So it does switch the wallpaper. You just have to wait a little bit. And if this ever decides to, there you go. And that is basically what you can do with the switching home screens and widgets for the iOS 15 update. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!